Welcome back, I am Danny and this is Drunken Dwarf Iron. Today we are going to be making a hacksaw. Now you already have a hacksaw, it's a perfectly good hacksaw, but I have several problems with this. I don't find this grip particularly comfortable, I want a more upright grip. As you might have guessed from the name of this channel, I am remarkably short and I don't like the idea of chopping a foot off the bottom of a post vise that is older than I am. So I tend to work sort of up here, and this is less comfortable for that. Also, I thought making a hacksaw would be fun. So we're going to make a frame saw or bow saw. Now this is a very common woodworkers project. I've never seen it done in steel, and I've never seen it done for steel. So I am going to forge a frame saw to take standard 300mm hacksaw blades. And it's going to tension itself with rope and a twisting peg. It's a very cool looking project. Like I said, I've never seen it done in metal before. We've got some 16mm square and some 20 by 8mm flat bar. So we're going to get the forge lit and give it a go. Honestly, I'm thrilled. I love it. The handles are just thick enough. They feel really comfortable in the hand. It's quite heavy, but not too unwieldy. You can quite easily keep it straight. It's got nice tension on the saw. Could tension it a bit more, but I want to upgrade the rope a little bit more, because this is old rope and I'm worried about it fraying and cutting. It's already showing some signs of that. The forged wedge and bar came out lovely. This sits nicely on there. It takes the saw blades with very little effort, and it's got a nice comfortable handle, but it's also comfortable to use it with two hands. I'm not sure if you're supposed to. I never saw the way you're supposed to anyway. The extra weight really puts a little bit more into the cut, so it does a little bit more of the work for you. And this has come just in time because I've got some projects coming up that involve hinges, and sawing out the detailed little wedges in hinge eyes, which you can do with an angle grinder, but that tends to go a bit too far and it's a bit too easy to make mistakes. So doing it traditionally with a hacksaw, I've no idea why more hacksaws aren't made out of steel, and in this format I think it's really fun, and I'm definitely going to be using it a lot in the coming weeks. Now, if you'd like to see the projects I'm going to put this to use in, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. It will really help the channel if you like and comment, and I will hopefully see you in the next one.